Welcome to my channel. For all my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Your support is much appreciated. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Press the notification button, like, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I am making another basket arrangement. You will need zinnias, which is at the end. Next to the zinnias would be the mums, sunflowers, wildflowers, and leaves, and of course the basket. On to the video. Do you see how these was attached to the base? All I did was cut it, so I got rid of the base. Now, what we're going to do is take all the individual ones. Let me get these out of here for the time being, and I will show you how you put these in here. You just put them in sideways at an angle all the way around. So you end up with a bed of leaves. I will start with these. You're just going to put them in on top. Kind of space them out. This is like my other basket that I did. And you just find a spot where you want to put them. Just put them in. And that's what it looks like when it's done. Now, if you want to do a hanging basket, it does have a handle. All you got to do is get a hook, put it on the handles, and hang it outside. As you may have noticed, I didn't use the wildflowers in this arrangement because it would be too tall for it. And I think it looks good without the wildflowers. It got zinnias, mums, and sunflowers in here, along with the leaves. Definitely a fall arrangement. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.